Million-dollar question is this. I've created my money pages, I've ran traffic, I got some subscribers, I got some sales, and now what? Strategies, mindset, anything that's going to help us to increase the income of our business. Right? I'm getting crickets every day. I'm not getting sales into my ClickBank account. What am I doing wrong? What should I do right now? And then you get anxious, you get frantic, and what happens is you say that, hey, this is not working for me. Why is it not working for me? And then you quit. Right? So guys, that's very typical. It's normal for every affiliate to go through that cycle, go through that process. So today we're going to try our best to eliminate all those doubts, all those disbelief, and also to answer all your questions, to have some clarity in your business. All right. So I do hope that you guys are ready for this training. It's going to be jam-packed awesome. Okay. And so let's go right in. All right. So this is a personal quote from yours truly. Okay. So my quote is this: a lifestyle business doesn't take a lot of time to operate. Otherwise, it's no longer a lifestyle business. Right? So I'm going to say it again. A lifestyle business doesn't take a long time to operate. All right? Otherwise, it's no longer a lifestyle business. Who agrees with me, guys? Who agrees with me? If you agree with me, type in I agree. Okay? If you agree with me, type in I agree. If you agree that a lifestyle business shouldn't take you long to operate every single day. Otherwise, it's no longer a lifestyle business, because a lifestyle business means you have you have the power to run your business from anywhere in the world, anytime you like, and still make a consistent full-time income for you to be remote, for you to spend time with your family, for you to have time freedom. And so guys, when I tell you that you only need 30 minutes to an hour a day to run this business, you have to believe me, right? When I say that you only need 30 minutes a day to an hour a day to run this business, you got to believe me, because this is a lifestyle business, right? What we are building is a lifestyle business. We are building your list, your email list, and this email list is going to carry you through, right, for a long time. All right, and it's going to be able to give you that full-time income that you desire based on how big you want to scale your business. In my reality, it's about 30 minutes to an hour per day, okay, for you to run this business, and it can generate you up to 4 figures, 5 figures, even 6 figures per month in income just by sending emails. Okay, and that's what I want you guys to realize, right? That this business is not going to take you a long time. It doesn't mean that if this business requires you an hour a day, you slack off and your whole mental attitude become like, oh, it's only an hour a day, I'm just gonna forgo it, it's just an hour a day, I'm just gonna take it lightly. No, okay, it's an hour a day because you have the entire mechanism up and running, right? And therefore you can afford to just do what you need to do. Or I would say the 20-80 rule, right? Most of the results come from the 20% of work that you put in. Okay, and so you get to focus on just that 20%, and that's going to take you just 30 minutes to an hour per day. So that's good news, guys. This training right here is applicable to people who have taken action. Okay, so the first step that you have taken is to create your money pages. Second step that you have taken is to run traffic, and then you start receiving subscribers into your list, and then you ask the question, now what? Okay, so I've broken down this entire training into stages. All right, so stage 1 to stage 4, and at the different stages or at a different phase, right, you will have a different set of rule to follow. Does it make sense, guys? Okay, I basically have broken this down into very easy to understand stages, and basically what does each phase means for you. Okay, so I'm just going to run through, all right, in general. Okay, and I call that the budding phase, right? Just like a small little seed that's starting to bud into a small little plant, and then to grow into a huge tree. Stage 1 will be your budding phase. Okay, and that's when you have 1,000 subscribers and less. Okay, and during the budding phase, you have to continue to invest. Okay, I'm going to go into more detail later, but the key here is to continue to invest. Now, Stage 2, okay, is when you have 1,000 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, so that's what I call the growth phase. Okay, that's the stage that you have to grow really quickly, all right, for you to really see the results of the business, right? And within this phase, you have to continue to invest. And one more factor is reinvest. Okay, continue to invest and reinvest. All right, that's stage number 2. Now, stage number 3 is when we have 5,000 subscribers all the way to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, and in that phase, I call it the scaling and upgrading phase. Okay, and in this phase, we are going to continue to invest, continue to reinvest, and the last factor there is to upgrade. All right, so invest, reinvest, and upgrade. So that's stage number 3. Stage number 4 is when you have 10,000 subscribers and above. All right, and that's what I call the scaling and profiting phase. All right, scaling and profiting phase. Now, in stage 4, you continue to invest, you continue to reinvest, and then you diverse and you vest.